This video is sponsored by Sketchfab. Stick around to see how you can get high quality 3D models for free. Hey, what's up guys and welcome back to askNK. This is another weekly giveaway, and this week we have a couple of nice things that you guys will definitely want to go ahead and download right now, as they're extremely impressive and high quality. The folks at 3D Scan Store has released the multi-expression base mesh, which you can now work with totally for free. Now there is also a couple of other things they're doing, but the whole idea about getting this base mesh is for you to easily retarget your characters from a photogrammetry over to this nice one. One of the nice things that also comes with this one is you'd not only be downloading the ZBrush file, you'd also be getting the OBJ file that you can use, and all of them does have multi-level subdivisions, so it means that you can go from subdivision of 1 all the way to 3. So with ZBrush open right here, you can see that we have the model looking extremely nice. How you can see the expression is simple. You go over to the layer section with this subtool selected, go over to the layer section, and you're going to find all of them. So in this case, we can do, the eye close. This is lovely. We can scroll all the way down, and we can actually do the mouth, or let's do a long face, okay? We can do that, and we can set this all the way back to 0. We can also play with the eye tight. That looks good. Let's zoom in a bit just to take a look at it, so you can see how much, stuff has been put into this. We can also set this all the way back to 0, scroll all the way down. So let's go ahead and grab that. All right, so we have like the cheek pull, something like that. That looks nice. I think there's also this nice one that I really like that deals with, the expression in terms of feelings, like the happy. Happy looks good. I mean, you can see that. We can also set this all the way back to 0, and we can play with things like anger and all that. So all of these are right here and you can use them. And for those who are wondering, what about the OBJ files? How do you work with them? I mean, if we take a look at what we have here in Maya, we can open up the OBJ file, and just to show you guys what you would get once you download it, you would be able to get the OBJ, the guide for those who like to use the wrap 3D to transfer and actually retarget the topology from a photogrammetry over to this one. And you would also notice, that we have this. So if you open up the OBJ file, you would notice that we have the meter scale and the centimeter scale. To look at this, they're actually the same thing for those who like to work based off a given form of measurement. So right here we have the level 1, which is a subdivision level of 1, subdivision level of 2, and 3. So if you go ahead and open up the very first one, you would see what we have. And if you're working with Maya and you're wondering, how do I now bring in the blend shape, or if you're working with any 3D object, you'd also notice that the other blend shapes right here. And to transfer blend shapes from one object to another when you're working with Maya is extremely simple. So just going to go ahead and load up all of the necessary blend shapes, select all of them like that, and you can hold down Shift on the keyboard and select the last one. And once you do that, go over to the form, go all the way down to the blend shape, click on this button. I think this is somewhere else. Drag this in, and I'm just going to call this character. All right, so once we have that as a character, we're leaving everything the way they are, hit on the word apply and close. So next thing to do, select all of this, hit Ctrl A, go over to your channel box, and let's hide all of this stuff. So in this case, once I have this object selected and go over to character, you can see we have all the blend shapes baked right into this part. So we can go in there, have it selected with the middle mouse button. You can see that. Let's actually make sure that we have something looking good. Nice. So in this case, we can do something like that, and you can see it. And we can also go ahead and do something like this. So for those thinking about working with this model, yes, you can. So what are the caveats of working with this model? You can do every necessary thing you want to do, and you can transfer, like I mentioned earlier, however you want. The only thing here is the folks at 3D Scan Store are saying, in terms of licensing, that you might need to contact them if you want to use this for a commercial project. But if you're using this for your personal study, you're using this for creating models for yourself, then you can work with this under the personal single user license. And this is pretty impressive. And speaking about things that are impressive, let's take a look at the very next one, which is from the folks at Production Crate. And this company makes a lot of nice sound effect, graphic stuff, 3D, and also some VFX and motion elements. So there is a lot of nice things. This is just one of those pages that you come across and you want to share it with everyone. And what you can do here is, if you go over to this page, you can select from a long list of things that is being offered here. And since we're looking at 3D stuff, you can simply go all the way down to 3D model and type in the word free. And once you do that, press the enter button and lots of free things are here. So recently they added up the free medieval castle, and this free medieval castle is just beautiful. So you can go ahead and get this castle with textures as high as 8K, and it's quite impressive. And if you take a look at some of the nice things that this castle has to offer, you will be amazed at the level of quality that you have here. This castle's elements are all photogrammetry captured, and it is impressive the level of quality you'll be getting. So if I simply open this up, you would see what you have. Once you download it, you'll be getting the castle components, the castle towers, the castle wall, and also the castle themselves. So what we've done is just to go ahead and load this up directly in Blender, where you can see it. So you can see every single thing. This is more like a batch import thing that we did, and you can see what we have. So let's go in and take a very close look, and you can see how beautiful these things are. You can also look at these ones, and you can see this for yourself. And for those thinking about downloading this, you can simply go over to the link in the description that will bring you right over to where you can search for these files. And if you go through to download them, you need to sign up. And that's actually the very same thing with this page. You also need to sign up to be able to download this as well. And that is the very same thing right here. So if you want to get the 8K file, the 1K file, 2K, 4K, you can hit this button to get it. But regardless of this, you would also be able to find lots of other things here. So if I go over to the motion and VFX elements, I can choose to search for free things. So I can type in the word free right there, press the enter button, and you'd also notice that we have lots and lots of free stuff like so, which you can essentially go in and pick up and start working with. These are crazy nice things, and I believe they would save you like a lot of time depending on what you want. And it also makes sense to note that some of those things might be pro version free stuff, which means you might need to be a pro user to get them, while most of them that you find here, you just simply sign up and you would have access to downloading all of this. Something else that we have for this week is from the folks at Matte Paint, as they've actually gone through to increase and also revamp the Sky catalog that they created before. And this is one of the nicest things that I have seen in a long time that deals with this huge catalog of over 2,000 Sky textures that anyone can pick up and start working with. So this was a previous one that we had, and you can also go over to the previous versions and look at them. But right now we're having even brand new ones looking pretty lovely. So you can get the Matte Paint Sky library, which you can actually get started working with it. And all of this HDRI high quality stuff are right here and waiting for you to pick them up. And last but not the least, let's take a look at the Volkswagen Beetle 1954 version. And this one is also totally free. A huge shout out to Mossab for making it available. So if you're into, vehicles and you're looking for something like this FBX file is available and you can go ahead and get it. Just before we go, a huge shout out to our sponsors, Sketchfab. So for those of you who have no idea, Sketchfab is one of the largest places on the internet where you can buy, sell, and preview high quality 3D models. One of the nicest things about Sketchfab is every single week you'll be able to get high quality free 3D models that you can play with. So all you need to do to get high quality models is just do this very same thing. Go over to Explore, go to Downloadables, and you will find them right here. And before you hit the download button on any of the Sketchfab models, it is worth knowing that you can actually preview these things directly on the thumbnail, or you can click on any of them before you purchase or even download it. And it is just quite impressive the amount of work that folks at Sketchfab has invested into the system that doesn't only present your models with high fidelity, but at the same time, it shows the level of work that you've put into it. So this is more like it for those who like to download high quality 3D models from Sketchfab. Link to this is going to be in the description. And of course, if you'd like to take a look at what we have for this week, then you should also consider taking a look at the link in the description where you can grab all of this and start working with it. Tell me what you guys think about this one in the comment section. And for sure, if you like this video or you learned something from this, you can go ahead and give a like, and don't forget to share with a friend. And until I see you guys in the next one, peace.